Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2025 Volkswagen Taos and I will show you which fuse to check in case there is no air coming from the vent. So I will show you the blower motor fuse. In case air blows on a specific speed setting, then most likely fuse will not be your problem. Then most likely you're dealing with a failed blower motor resistor. But if there is no air coming at all, first you want to check the blower motor fuse and then you want to check the blower motor itself. This video should apply to these vehicles made from 2022 all the way up to 2026. Okay, now the fuse you want to check will be located in a small fuse box under the steering wheel, just behind this cover. To access the fuses, you just want to pull this cover towards yourself. And here you will get access to the fuses. And the blower motor fuse will be this 40 amp fuse located in the top right corner, and this is the fuse number F14. Now if this fuse is good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. Like I said, then you want to test the blower motor itself, because blower motors actually fail quite often on most of the vehicles. But first things first, check the fuse. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.